Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lafayette Parish in south-central Louisiana, southeastern Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Gaydon, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Crowley, Jennings, Scott, Rain, Kaplan, Lake Arthur, Iota, Gaydon, Mermentau, Evangeline, Dewson, Morse, Loretta, Wright, Maxey, Mater, Egan, Branch, and Richard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Doubleheader!
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana, out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intercoastal City, out 20 nautical miles, waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 24 nautical miles northwest of White Lake to High Island 157, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source,
Holy crap!
Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include West Cameron 45, West Cameron 48, West Cameron 149, High Islands 22, West Cameron 398, High Island 199, West Cameron 198, Vermilion 31, High Island A177, West Cameron 110, High Island 110, West Cameron 196, West Cameron 192, Vermilion 39, Vermilion 38, High Island 116, West Cameron 73, West Cameron 71, High Island 170, and Vermilion 24. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.